My name is Iana and I'm about to put my hair in a protective style. I've had it in the same raggedy bun for the past few days. So it's time to wash it and put it in a protective style because I don't feel like doing it. And I just started a new semester, so I don't have time to really do my hair. Well, actually I have all the time in the world because I'm not working, but I don't feel like doing my hair. So I'm gonna just wash it, prep it for braids, well actually for twists, kinky twists, and my kinky hair hasn't even arrived yet. I'm waiting for it to come, but I'm just prepping my hair for when it arrives. It should arrive tomorrow or in the next couple days, so stay tuned. So I just finished washing my hair. So now I'm gonna prep it for the twist. So basically all I'm gonna do for that is just moisturize it and put it in big detangled braids. And like I said before, the hair hasn't gotten here yet, so it's gonna sit like this until the hair gets here, and then I'll show you how I install the twists. So now I'm just showing you how to put on a head wrap if you don't want to go outside with your hair, looking like Celie. Not that there's anything wrong with plaits, but these were done kind of sloppily, so it was more for function than fashion. So as you can see, I just twist the front part down. And then twist it really tight, not too tight, into a bun on the front of your head. And then you just, test it out. Make sure it looks good from every angle. And I live in Florida, so I need UV protection for half of my eyes. So this is my accessory of choice. It's called a bonnet. And since I have nowhere to go, I will most likely be wearing this until my package arrives with my hair. So a lot of people ask me how I get the lines in the back of my head so straight. And it's really simple. I just hold a mirror to see the back of my head.